Was there a launch?
Huh? Oh. What?
I didn't know there was another launch today.
Hi all, welcome back to my channel and our kayaking adventures. On December 13th, we paddled around Dragon Point, one of our favorite locations. To our surprise, there was a SpaceX launch, and by luck, we managed to catch a glimpse of it. Join us on this gorgeous day while we paddle up the Banana River past Mather's Bridge. We arrived at the Eau Gallie Boat Ramp at 10 a.m. and I unloaded the kayaks. I had no idea that SpaceX was launching a rocket at 12:30 that day. If I had known that, we would have selected a location closer to the Kennedy Space Center, since the area we are paddling is over 30 miles away. We chose this area because of the frequent encounter with dolphin that we have here, and I enjoy watching the swing bridge in action. The temperature when we put in the water was 73 degrees Fahrenheit. There was a small % chance of rain, and it was partially cloudy. The water was smooth as glass. It was the perfect day to be out on the water. As we got closer to Mather's Bridge, we saw very few dolphin. We did see some just before Dragon Point on the Indian River side of Merritt Island, but they were way off in the distance, and we wanted to paddle up the Banana River. Dragon Point is the southernmost point of Merritt Island, and it is where the Banana and Indian River come together. We continued on up the Banana River. There was quite a bit of boat traffic today, which isn't really that unusual for a Sunday, especially on a nice day such as today. After paddling about 2.5 miles, it was time to turn around and slowly head back. Maybe our luck would change and a dolphin would come out and play. Even if not, it was relaxing being out on the water. While paddling back toward Mather's Bridge, we talked about where we were going to eat dinner. The hardest part of visiting Florida this time around was figuring out what excellent place to eat, because with us taking safety precautions during this pandemic, we would need to find a place that served their food to go, which meant raw oysters were out of the equation. I wanted to make a video of some of our favorite eateries, but without enjoying the indoor dining aspect, I didn't think it would make as great of a video. If you would like to know some of our favorite places, let me know in the comments. And if you're curious where we decide to eat dinner today, well, stick around until the end of the video. Finally, a couple dolphin appeared around the bridge. They did not stay long. They were swimming northward. This bridge is a popular spot to see the dolphin, which is why you might recognize this area from some of my past videos. Going under the bridge, I'm reminded at a time that I saw a gator in these waters. It was quite the experience, and a gentle reminder that even familiar waters, you'll never know what to expect. And sometimes it isn't just Florida's wildlife that surprises you when you are recreating on Florida's intercoastal waterways. As we paddled back towards the boat ramp, we were in for another treat, one that gives this region of Florida the moniker Florida's Space Coast. One reason rockets are launched in Florida has to do with both fuel efficiency and the safety of the people on the ground. The Earth rotates most quickly at the equator, and to take advantage of this, it is most beneficial for fuel consumption to launch from a southerly location. Launching from a location on an easterly coast where there is no inhabited population where debris would land in an emergency means less risk to people.
Was there a launch?
Huh? Oh. What?
I didn't know there was another launch today.
Are we recording this?
Can't even see it.
Too late.
The SpaceX launch was quite a surprise and something I wasn't prepared for. When I first looked at the launch schedule when preparing for our Florida trip, I only saw the launch for December 6th, which we watched from the Spoil Island in Titusville. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. It was a pretty cool sight. Apparently, I missed that there was a launch scheduled for today. By the luck of timing, I just happened to look back and see the rocket going up, and fortunately for us, one of the GoPros caught it in frame. The launch of this Falcon 9 rocket's mission was to launch a satellite for Sirius XM. The new satellite would replace an old satellite in Sirius XM fleet to continue providing satellite radio program to consumers across North America. Thank you for coming along with us as we paddled the Banana River around Dragon Point and Mathers Bridge. The rocket launch surprise made this a memorable trip to a frequently paddled location. If you enjoyed this video, click that like button. If you are new to this channel or have not yet subscribed, consider joining Team Kayak 7 Seas by making this the day you click that subscribe button. Be sure to turn on notifications to get notified when our next video comes out. If you're curious where we ended up for dinner, we chose the Seafood Atlantic in Port Canaveral, where I had the mahi burrito and we shared a dozen oysters. Seafood Atlantic offers outdoor dining, but we chose to eat our meal in the car. We were lucky enough to catch a baby dolphin at play while waiting for our takeout. Until next time, I hope to see you out on the water someday.